Every pool owner at some point is going to ask themselves salt pool or chlorine pool. So what's the difference? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Cost, maintenance, and water quality. Let's start with cost. Salt pool systems can save 50% over traditional chlorination. If you look at how much chlorine costs and compare that to how much chlorine a salt system can generate for free, using a salt system, it's a clear winner. Now on to maintenance. The difference here is with a traditional pool, you're manually buying and adding chlorine, but with a salt pool system, it's automatically chlorinating the pool for you. Automatic wins. Salt systems typically just need seasonal adjustments and maintenance. Now on to water quality. Everyone expects the harsh swimming experience and chlorine smell from traditional pools. Salt pools are safe for swimmers and your pool surfaces. You can open your eyes underwater without getting that burning sensation that you might be getting from traditional chlorine tablets. That's why it's no surprise here that most new pools are in fact salt pools. It's just the standard. If you have any questions, I'm John with DSP. Thanks for watching.